fine. You said it would be fine.
Full Toyotas never die, eh? At least I got my petrol for the tank. Right, as you can see, the good old 1000 settled down after its wee slumber. It's ticking over the way they should. So next move is, let's see if I can drive 100 steam into Weed Engineering's Centre of Excellence.
That's Harvey just brought her in.
What could possibly go wrong?
Well, hopefully not much now that we've got it in and can do a couple of things with it. As you can tell, this is the esteemed Weed Engineering workshop. Harvey's collection over the years.
Right, that's it. All done for today.